So we're back with Manya here. We're going to adjust her main subluxation, her first thoracic over here. And the 𝐜𝐮 listing is a PRI-T. So there's one specific vertebra that's swollen here. Now this was causing most of our pinch initially when we got started. This vertebra has substantially improved the disc. The swelling has decreased, but there's still some pressure there, so we're going to go ahead and adjust this. We're going to just set her like this. We're going to create a little bit of a side bend and a rotation this way. We're going to stabilize her and protect that right there. And we're just going to lift up. Mine is really a great relaxer, so that it's like that. It's perfect. You did great.
That's
so
good.
Good. Okay. And let's go face it. Just tell me when. Okay, great. So the second adjustment we're going to do with Manya is her fourth thoracic, and the adjustment is also a PRI-T. So we're going to set on that specific segment right there. And Manya is a great relaxer, and she uses her breath to, and I'm going to lift up on one segment. Good job on like that. You did great. Fantastic. I'm going to get you to lie on your left side. And now we want to help Manya with this head translation that she was doing that amazing therapeutic exercise. So we've got her on her left side. I'm just going to put the mic right there. And what you're going to do is, just like you're doing the therapeutic exercise, you're going to press with your earlobe or the Frankenstein bolt down to the left. So we're going to use this drop table and press the head down and shift downward. And I'm going to help you shift. Fantastic. Let's just put a little bit more tension on that. That's done so much better. There you go. Now you feel tension. Good. And shift down and shift and use your head. Good. Shift down, shift, and bravo. Push up and just swing your feet off in the front like that. That's really good. Now, the last thing we're going to work on is your very favorite, the L spot. Ronnie's like, sometimes she'll say, oh, I thought you were going to forget that one today, but we don't forget anything. Lie your back, please. Good. Now, we're working on this fifth cervical. Scoot headward just a little bit more. Good. And like that. Super. And then we're going to get you just set right in the middle of the table like that. You're looking above the head, and you're going to use your eyes. Where the eyes go, the head follows. And so just look above, and we're going to pull back, pull the belly in. Bravo. And that's what you're going to do all on your own, and pull the head, belly, belly, belly. You're going to help that cervical curve, open off all that nerve channel, and belly, 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 point your toes. Bravo. Great job.